what's up? My name is DiBussolo, and we are shooting
Megana
and
Francis
and Katie.
And today we are all shooting with the same gear, Sony A7 III with the Sigma 1.4 Art Series, except she is shooting with the Zeiss. Is that 1.4? 1.4. And we're here at the laundromat. It's called the Lux in Hamilton on Parkdale, and we're going to go for that vintage type of style. And the whole point of this is we're going to see who can come up with what shooting the same type of gear. All right, so let's get into it. Okay.
All right.
Rock, paper, scissors.
wait. Oh, no, yeah, you lost.
Yeah.
So Francis, Francis, 3, go.
Okay. First shot. Realize it's going to be a large, but I'm just using this light. And then look down. Kind of like you're trying to come out of the cloud. Yeah, perfect. And then look outside. Let's see if you come out. No, you're not. Perfect. Go. And then give me a big smile. And then look down. Good. Awesome. Perfect. And then look over there. Yes. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much.
Run with it, jump on it. Yes. Do that one more time for me. Okay, go back one more time. Maybe go back one more row to these guys right here. Grab, like sit on the ground. Yeah, perfect. Arch your back and get it on. Amazing. Come back over here. Awesome. Yes. For me. Perfect. Arm up, kind of like holding the, yep, exactly. Final showdown, ready? And go.
Okay. Have you staying on the, yeah, that's perfect. And then looking up at me. Got burst mode on. Okay, come over here. We have you standing like this. Try to lean over it up a little bit. Try to lean down on the table. So we're gonna do one more challenge, and that is with shooting with the 85 1.8, all three of us in one spot, which is right here. And we're gonna have 30 seconds to shoot.
2, 1, go.
You guys have to move. Now.
Can you pull up? Is there any way you can get up here? Try to sit and over. Can you flip your hair back? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Do that one more time. Go back. And do it one more time. And stay like that. Turn.
7 seconds.
Yep. Perfect. Hold that.
Done.
Yeah.
Good? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, for this one, I'm gonna have you sit over there. Yes, here. Just try to do this, and then yes, perfect. And then a little bit more, and then flash straight. Awesome. Yes, yes, girl. Beautiful. One more. And then if I have you set it up, and then if I have you go like this. Oh. You model.
Nothing, eh? Did you get anything?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so we are going to do another challenge, 1 minute, 1 location, which is going to be here on the table, and Katie's going to go first. 3, 2, 1.
Arch your back. I'm going for symmetry here. Keep just switching positions every now and then. Move around. Perfect. Yeah, I like that. Leaning back on the chair for me. Come over here, getting straight on. Awesome. Doing that. Camera. I'm going to come over here again. Can I get you to lean into your arms?
Work with an amazing model. They just know what to do at
It's so much easier.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. And then I'm gonna have you.
I'm so not used to it.
And then beautiful. And then I'm gonna have, yes.
25 seconds.
And then can you give me a movement in your hair in that exact pose? Thank you.
You have the best hair for this though.
Beautiful. Thank you. One more. Yes, perfect.
10 seconds, Francis.
I'm gonna have you lean right here. And I'm gonna come up your back. And then I'm actually gonna pull this way.
2 seconds, 1 second.
Oh no!
Okay, we'll count that.
Look at it. And 3, 2, 1.
Can I get your head to lay back on this part right here? Well, I know a lot of people are going to say in the video, coming down for the table,
35 seconds.
Yeah,
20 seconds.
and the edge of the table again. Stay like that, so you over here.
And that was awesome. I learned so much from these two already.
What did you think about it, Our Beautiful Model?
I was not stressed at all because I had no time to think for my posing. This one right here, just like I had no time to breathe. It was the relaxed one, and this is the happy medium right here.
The three extremes. I'm a very candid photographer and I don't do a lot of poses, so I tried to get as much candidness into it as I could in a minute and 30 seconds. So I went lightning speed, and I'm aiming for the shot in between poses. So if I'm posing you here and going here, I want that shot in between. So that's why we went chaos mode on you.
Sounds good.
Honestly, I didn't have a strategy because it was my first time here, and I don't know. I mean, yeah, I don't have anything.
No, you just winged it? Just
winged it. I think I do better winging it because if you have a strategy and it doesn't work out, then you're going to be stressing out even more.
That's true.
How about you?
I'm kind of same with Peter, but I just looked at her and you just kind of see what's positive about her in terms of like her hair, for example, and what looks good on her in terms of her t-shirts and clothes. So that's what I try to incorporate, and I also wanted to use bokeh a lot in my shots. So that was my strategy, I guess, but I don't really think that was a strategy at all.
We'll see you guys next time. Guns out.